Hi everyone, welcome to the page for API 577 exam prep courses. Here we present 3 levels for prep courses for the API 577 exam. The first level is the cheapest and the most basic course. Here you can find 3 tests similar to the real exam, and after finishing a test you will see the results right away. So the questions in these tests are really similar to the questions that you will be dealing with during the real exam. For example, for the course level 1, after you finish the exam, you will see the answers like A, B, C, or D to every single question. However, for the level 2 course, after you finish the exam, you will see the choices that are correct, like A, B, C, and in addition to that, an explanation why that answer is correct and why the other answers are not correct. You will also see the page number and the section, the code that you can find the real answer. So you don't need to waste your time looking for those kind of answers in the book. The section that you can find has been written there, so you can go directly to that section and find the answer. After finishing all the exams, you will also get a certificate for those who pass level 2. And also the time span that you have access to the course is 4 months instead of 2 months for those who have level 1. And last but not least, we have level 3 course, which teaches you step by step every single section of the code book and prepare you for the exam. So if you don't have enough experience or background in welding and you haven't reviewed the code book yet, or you're too busy and you don't have time to review the whole code book, I strongly recommend you to take level 3 course, and in that course we'll teach you everything as fast as possible. At the end of this course and after finishing all the exams, you will also get a certificate, and the number of professional development hours that you could get during this course has been written on that certificate. The number of months that you have access to the course is also more than level 2 and level 1, which is 6 months. During taking these courses, if you face any issue or had any question, don't hesitate to contact us and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. So, see you in the course.